Okay, I don't know why I'm gonna take a video of this. I'm just gonna go over to Emily's room and steal some crap that I have in her gun just in case she attacks me. Like, if she finds out, and, well, sheesh, they need to turn the volume down. But if she, like, finds me and then gets mad at me because I tried to steal her stuff. Anyway, why? Lights are on. Whoa, what just happened? No, the lights are off. That is not Emily. No. No. Stop eating everything, you piece of crap. I just popped my knuckles. You're just taking my cat.